Welcome to the assembly manual for the Caren sideboard. Let's start step 1. Attach accessory B, then attach accessory H. Position the pieces 7 in the indicated locations and secure them with the accessories J. Now, position the pieces 5 and secure them with the accessories D. And finally, fix the accessories J. In step 2, position the K accessories in the indicated locations and secure them with the E accessories. Fix the B accessories in the indicated locations. Position the pieces 8 in the indicated locations and secure them with the accessories J. And finally, fix the accessories B. In step 3, position part 06 and attach accessories H. Make the fit in the indicated location. Tighten the accessories. Repeat the same process by securing the H accessories to piece 6 and fitting them into the indicated location. Tighten the accessories. In step 4, attach accessory B to piece 9. Position the U pieces in the indicated locations and secure them with accessories A and F. Position piece 10 and fit it into the indicated location. With piece V, secure the bottom using accessories C. Position the K accessories and secure them with the E accessories. To finish, attach accessory L with accessories G. In step 5, position part 2 and secure it with accessory C. In step 6, position the N accessories in the indicated locations, look for the markings, and secure them with the F accessories. Position part 1, secure with accessories F. Insert the M accessories in the indicated locations. And finally, attach part 11 with the I accessories.